Think you've seen every tool out there? Think again! Today, we're counting down 20 unique tools you've never seen before. And trust me, these tools are going to blow your mind. From genius problem-solving inventions and cool Amazon finds to game-changing tools for DIY, woodworking, and everyday use. These are the kind of tools you never knew you needed but won't be able to live without. Let's dive in. The IsoBouw SlimFort facade insulation offers a continuous insulating layer with minimal fasteners, reducing cold bridges and ensuring excellent PSI values. The system uses ETA-certified fissure fixings and is fully calculated according to Eurocode standards. Classified for fire safety by Effectus, it provides secure WBDBO detail support. Moisture-resistant and vapor-permeable, it delivers superior building physics. With an excellent environmental score, it is clean to process, fully reusable, recyclable, and detachable. Its demountable support structure ensures easy replacement and optimal ventilation, resulting in long-lasting facade cladding and low maintenance costs over the product's life cycle. Keeping your garden organized and watering tasks efficient requires a reliable hose management solution. The Ruvup Retractable Garden Hose Reel features a patented ratchet locking system and automatic retractable technology that ensures smooth, tangle-free hose retraction without jamming or overlaps. Its stable mounting system with strong brackets and metal pins prevents bending or tilting, while the 180-degree swivel design provides flexible movement and superior coverage. Equipped with a 100-foot hose and a 10-pattern nozzle, it handles everything from delicate plant watering to surface cleaning. Built with UV and all-weather protection, this durable reel includes a smart locking system and safe slow retraction for longevity and convenience. Removing stubborn ice from windshields in harsh winter conditions demands a tool that maximizes force and efficiency. The Mallory MAXX-Force scraper combines patented flex blade technology with offset ice chippers to cut through ice quickly and effectively. Its 4-inch wide flex blade conforms perfectly to the glass, delivering full scraping coverage, while the offset chipper design ensures simultaneous contact for maximum ice-breaking power. This focused energy approach removes ice and frost up to 4 times faster than traditional scrapers. Built with a comfortable rubber grip for ultimate control, it makes clearing snow and ice easier, faster, and more effective even in the toughest conditions. Constantly moving a heavy reel just to get power slows down any job. The Luceco Masterplug Pro Reverse Reel revolutionizes portable power by allowing the socket outlet to move with you, eliminating the need to drag the entire reel. With 25 meters of high-visibility cable, you can keep the reel safe in a dry, protected space while working freely. The weatherproof IP54 rated pull-out socket ensures safe use in wet, dusty, and outdoor environments. Designed with an ergonomic handle, pull-out drum handle, integrated cable guide, robust construction, thermal cutout protection, and power LED indicator, it's ideal for workshops, garages, DIY, and professional tasks. When working with hose connections, precision and secure clamping are essential for reliable performance. The SPEEDWOX ear clamp pliers are expertly designed for both 1-ear and 2-ear clamps, making them ideal for CV boots, coolant and fuel lines, air pressure systems, and compressors. Crafted from high-strength chrome vanadium steel, these drop-forged pliers deliver industrial-grade durability and long-lasting use. The front and side jaw design allows versatile crimping angles, while PVC handles provide a comfortable anti-slip grip for better control. Protected with anti-rust oil, the tool resists corrosion and maintains its functionality. This 9-inch crimping tool is a dependable choice for automotive, mechanical, and industrial applications. Accurate angle measurement is vital for precision in construction, woodworking, and DIY projects. The Huepar digital angle gauge combines a digital level, angle meter, and laser line projector in one versatile tool. It projects horizontal and vertical laser lines with plus or minus 1 mm per meter accuracy, offering 4 times 90 degrees and 2 times 180 degrees measurement ranges in both ABS and REF modes. A powerful recessed magnet ensures a secure grip on ferrous surfaces, even pipes. Built with durable, impact-resistant materials, it's IP54 dustproof and waterproof, powered by a rechargeable 650 mAh lithium battery with Type-C charging. An electronic bubble tilt display makes readings intuitive, while the included carry bag ensures portability. Reliable PEX connections are essential for efficient plumbing installation and repairs. The iCrimp PEX clamp tool offers a patented multifunctional design with both clamp cinching and removal capabilities in one tool. It installs corrosion-resistant 1/2-inch 20-pack and 3/4-inch 10-pack clamp rings onto PEX barb fittings, ensuring long-lasting strength for brass or poly fittings. The included PEX tubing cutter slices through up to 1-inch tubing effortlessly. Factory calibrated, all clamp connections meet ASTM standards. In removal mode, it cuts off clamp rings in seconds, allowing fittings to be reused. Durable and precise, this toolkit streamlines PEX work for professionals and DIYers alike. Detecting cooling system leaks quickly is vital to prevent costly engine damage. The GallopMax Coolant Tester Kit offers a complete solution with a radiator pressure tester, vacuum fill coolant tool, and thermometer for temperature measurement. It identifies internal leaks from blown head gaskets, ruptured cylinder blocks, or cylinder heads, as well as external cooling system leaks. The vacuum fill tool refills coolant under vacuum, eliminating air pockets to protect the engine. With 20 universal adapters, it suits most domestic and imported vehicles. Color and numeric coded caps simplify selection. Housed in a thickened, blow-molded case with a brass manifold, a large 3-inch pressure gauge, and a professional user manual, it's durable, accurate, and easy to use. Working under vehicles often means dealing with discomfort and limited mobility. The KINCROME Carbon Creeper is built to solve that with a super low-profile design, a 130 kilogram capacity, and a ribbed underside for exceptional strength and durability. It features a carbon print padded headrest and back support for comfort, plus an ergonomic shape for effortless movement under a car. 6 sealed ball-bearing PU casters ensure smooth gliding in any direction, while onboard storage keeps tools within reach. Designed with a hook slot for easy storage when not in use, this creeper is a dependable choice for mechanics who value strength, comfort, and performance in demanding automotive work. Changing brake pads requires evenly retracting caliper pistons without causing damage or misalignment. The Lang Tools brake caliper press is designed to work with single, dual, and quad piston calipers, centrally distributing force to prevent uneven compression. Its 360-degree ratchet swing allows access from any angle, making it practical in tight spaces. Simply insert it into the caliper where the pads were, ratchet the handle with steady force until the pistons are fully retracted, then reverse the switch to release. Built for precision and ease, this tool ensures smooth brake maintenance and helps extend caliper life while improving safety during brake servicing. Emergencies require quick and safe escape routes from elevated areas, especially windows and basements. The BEAMNOVA fire escape ladder offers a reliable solution with a 6-rung window well egress design. Each rung is 3.15 inches wide, with 7.9 inches from the wall and 15.7 inches long, crafted from 3.2 millimeter thick iron for durable support. Its wall-mounted weatherproof construction ensures stability, while the L-shaped bracket prevents tipping. Weighing just 3 pounds, installation is simple. Assemble the rungs, mark drilling positions, and secure expansion butts. Ideal for basement or exit windows, this ladder provides safety, easy deployment, and peace of mind during emergencies. When temperatures rise, maintaining a cool and comfortable environment becomes essential for productivity and comfort. The Global Industrial Atomizing Fan is a 29-inch portable indoor-outdoor cooler that uses advanced atomizing technology to produce a superfine mist, cooling the surrounding area by nearly 20 degrees Fahrenheit through evaporative cooling. Capable of cooling up to 1,500 square feet, it operates quietly with no media to replace, delivering 112,500 BTUs of efficient cooling. The adjustable water mist keeps users dry while recycling unused water back into the 26-gallon reservoir. With low electrical and water usage, it provides economical, effective, and hassle-free cooling for large spaces. Clogged pipes can disrupt daily operations and require powerful tools for effective clearing. The General Pipe Cleaner's MiniJet delivers 1,500 psi of high-pressure cleaning power, clearing grease, sand, and ice from 1 1/2 inch to 3-inch lines. Its pump and motor assembly are safely enclosed in a rugged metal diamond plate case, built to withstand field abuse. High-pressure water jets flush stoppages while the nozzle thrust drives the hose down the line for wall-to-wall cleaning. The Pulse feature allows easy navigation around tight bends. Generating 1,500 pounds per square inch at 1.4 gallons per minute, it only draws 13 amps and includes a water sensor and GFCI for safety and protection. When working with stubborn or rusted bolts, a high-performance tool is essential for efficiency and ease. The Hazet Impact Wrench delivers just that with a robust twin hammer mechanism, offering a strong loosening torque of 1,000 Newton-meters and a maximum tightening torque of 685 Newton-meters, with recommended performance at 550 Newton-meters. It features a square drive and 3-stage forward with 1-stage reverse, allowing total torquey control. The ergonomically designed rubberized handle absorbs vibration and provides cold insulation for comfort during prolonged use. Included is a 7.2 nominal size coupler plug. Ideal for tire changes, it effortlessly handles stubborn wheel bolts while remaining cost-effective. Keeping your workspace organized and safe requires a reliable way to manage power cords. The VEVOR retractable cord reel provides a heavy-duty and durable solution, featuring a 45 to 50-foot 3CSJ TOW cord with a 4 1/2 feet let-in cord. Its automatic retractable lockable system allows for 1-second retraction and locks at any desired length. The longer coil spring with enhanced elasticity ensures smooth operation, while the LED lit plug indicates power status. Equipped with a modified adjustable stopper, a 180-degree swivel mounting bracket, and a built-in circuit breaker, this cord reel protects against short circuits and overloads. Easy to install, it powers devices safely anywhere with convenience and versatility. A reliable and versatile socket set is essential for tackling a wide range of mechanical and DIY tasks efficiently. Introducing the WORKPRO tools. Drive Socket Set. A 20-piece 3/8 drive socket wrench set, designed for durability and convenience. Constructed from forged CRV steel and chrome-plated, each component is rust-resistant and built to last. The set includes 9 3/8 drive sockets in both SAE and metric sizes, a 3-inch extension bar for reaching tight spaces, and a ratchet with a 72-tooth gear head, direction reversing switch, and ball-bearing quick-release mechanism. The patented carry rack with a 360-degree rotating organizer ensures secure storage and easy access, perfect for use at home, in the garage, or in a car. A compact and efficient workspace is essential for precision woodworking and smooth project execution. Meet the Grizzly Benchtop Router Table, a portable series table designed to support routers from 3/4 HP to 2 1/4 HP. The table features an extruded aluminum fence with accessory channels and a phenolic plate for easy router mounting. Its built-in e-stop switch with a removable safety key ensures safe operation. A convenient zippered storage enclosure enhances dust collection via a 2 1/4-inch dust port compatible with shop vacuums. Additional side storage bags hold bits and tools, while the tubular steel frame with leveling feet provides portability and stability, making this router table practical and versatile. Efficient and consistent mixing is essential for the smooth application of construction materials. Introducing the Eibenstock Automix 90, a top-entry paddle mixer designed for professional and versatile use. Equipped with a powerful motor and gearbox, it mixes continuously and quickly, handling powders and coatings, including latex, floor toppings, tile cements, and adhesives. The anchor-shaped paddle and slow-speed, high-torque motor ensure thorough blending of cement-based materials. Its top motor unit is mounted on a rigid wheeled frame, with a mixer head that raises for easy tub removal. Compact and lightweight, it fits in small vehicles and can be transported to upper floors, providing uninterrupted mixing throughout the workday. Reliable and adjustable lighting is crucial for safely and efficiently completing tasks in any workspace. The OEMTOOLS multi-use work light line is a versatile rechargeable work light designed for shop, home, and roadside applications. Ranging from 200 lumens to 1000 lumens, these lights feature 5 modes: high, medium, low, SOS, and strobe. Each light includes a strong magnetic backing, hanging hooks that pivot 180 degrees, removable adhesive pads, rubber end casing protection, and an adjustable nylon strap for flexible positioning. The diagnostic light adds a yellow mode for smoke detection, a UV mode for AC leak detection, and a built-in power bank for charging devices on the go. A well-equipped garden is essential for maintaining healthy plants and efficient gardening. Introducing the WORKPRO Tools Garden Tool Set, a 7-piece gardening set designed for both convenience and durability. This set features 6 purpose-built hand tools, including a transplanter with 4-inch depth engravings, a trowel for digging, a hand fork for aerating and mixing, a weeder for precise weed removal, a cultivator for loosening and spreading soil, and pruning shears for trimming stems and small branches. Each tool has comfortably contoured wooden handles with lanyard loops for easy storage. The set also includes a pair of gardening gloves and a convenient storage tote, ensuring long-lasting use and organized accessibility for any gardener. And that's our list of the 20 unique tools you've never seen before. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you love discovering cool and unique gadgets, smash that like button, share this video with your DIY friends and tool lovers, and subscribe for more Amazon tools, life-changing gadgets, and must-have inventions. Stay creative, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.